besties, welcome to another video. So this is our sales stat Sunday, and I think it's from the week of the 22nd to the 26th. If I'm incorrect, I'll just put the right week up here. So we had a busy week. That week we were working on getting another rebrand. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. We were working on another rebrand and getting our labels in, which I'll show you a glimpse of what our new labels look like now. And we also hired somebody for like more like behind the scenes because I don't like my website and I needed to be a little bit more me and what I want the business to represent, right? So that's something that needs to change is definitely my website. We reached out to our photographer for pictures, so we mailed those out that week. So that's exciting. And yeah, I think that's it. So we're going to start sales that Sunday. So for our online store, we got 2 sales. And for our Etsy, we got 0 sales, which is fine. Etsy is a hard market, and I don't pull my customers to my Etsy site. So it has to be organic from Etsy. So that's another thing. And also, I still haven't uploaded that video. I'm gonna have more time the week that I'm filming this to like do a lot of things more efficiently. So that's something that I'm looking forward to do. I have a lot of plans in place to make some changes and better organize like this whole shelving, there's things on the table. Like I can't wait to like just get down here and just so I can't wait to get down here and have some free time. I have an employee of mine who will be taking a few of my shifts. So I'll have a few days in March off to like really dive in and work on a business. So I'm excited for that. I might be going live both on YouTube and on Instagram and TikTok and all of that. Getting back into the live because I used to go live a lot often on TikTok. So I have a few customers on there that haven't seen me live in a while. So I'm gonna go do some lives over there. So I'm excited to be off a few days in March so I can hone in on the business, going like everywhere, putting my products every single where somebody can purchase at this point because your girl don't want to work anymore. I was just thinking, I'm great at my job. I'm really blessed. I'm loved at my job. But honestly, I took care of a lot of people's kids. Now that I think about it, I have healed and nurtured a lot of other people's kids, and I just need to nurture more of my own. I'm not saying that I haven't, but more time home will be good for me to nurture my own children. So I can't wait for that. Like I'm excited. That's one of my top goals right now is to stop working so I can really take care of my kids. So, yeah. So we're going on to our, what is it, eBay. We had no eBay sales as well. I haven't put anything new on my eBay. I need to nurture that platform as well. So on our wholesale, we also did not get any wholesale. Did not, which is fine. Um, I haven't really been advertising much about parties, save. So when it comes to the wholesale, I have not been advertising or pushing anything to say, yeah, I do party favors, or yeah, I do custom candles. I haven't done any of that. I will be doing that eventually, but for now I have not dived in. I've been looking into a course. Been browsing it, see if I really want to like hone into it because I'm already doing so many courses. And as a business owner, it's always learning and growing and evolving. But I have so many other courses that I still go back to. I just need to like I think what I need to do, and I think I need to master one before I jump into another. I don't know why my throat is acting up now. I haven't been down here in a minute, so maybe that's why. Let me see what else. Oh, in person, I got no sales in person, which is also fine. Um, they'll come. They always come. So I'm not worried about that. Oh, I kind of gotten, what did I get? When I did a Instagram story sale. I didn't mention this to you all, but I did a Instagram story sale on some of my older candles, right? Like the labels were older. They're not even like the gold ones here, because the gold ones, those are my second launch of like labels. uh, People love them because like at the bottom of the candle warning sticker, it does say, what the candle is, and also the scent description. So people still do buy that, and that will always be. But now we're moving on to like more colorful labels. So like this is a reset, and or spill the tea. So we have like, and then this is our Indian temple. So we're going into more colorful design labels, which is exciting. Yeah, we're also going to be launching our candle refill soon, very soon. We got photography done for that. So I'm gonna start working on sending out the emails tomorrow and nurturing my email community. I do have like a pop up on my website for like 30% off, but it won't be included. The refills won't be included in that 30% off discount that customers can use. And if you're a new subscriber, that means you never bought a candle from me, so you shouldn't be ordering a refill. But yeah, candle refill is gonna be starting working on my launch plan starting tomorrow, which is Monday the 3rd. So yeah, is it the 3rd? I think it's the 3rd. But anyways, it doesn't matter. Whenever Monday is when the launch plan is gonna start for these candle refills, and the following 2 weeks I'm gonna do another launch. So it's like launch after launch, but yeah, this is a different type of product. This is more skincare related instead of candles, so they're not in the same lane. But I will be promoting my new labels. I will be showcasing the new labels with the candle refill as well, just to start to get the buzz like these are new. I still got to get rid of these older ones, but I think maybe what I'll do, I'll take the older ones with me to like the farmers market and other pop-up shops and stuff and get those out the way. Maybe do like a two for sale too at the pop-ups. Let me see what else. So I mentioned in person was 0, website was 2, and I got 2. I did get an in-person order. Scratch that. I did get one in-person order from the Instagram sale, and I got one mail order from the Instagram sale. So how am I gonna say that? So I got 4 orders total the week of the 22nd to the 26th. So that's great. Now I'm thinking about it. That's great. So, besties, we're going to end the video here, and we'll see you again next week for another Sales That Sunday. You guys have a wonderful day or night, wherever and whenever you're watching this. Bye bye, bestie.